going to go ahead and delete this and hop on to our last problem here, number 4. In 1952, the United States ocean liner, none of that matters. The average speed here is 57.2 kilometers an hour. And the ship moves in a straight line eastward for 2.5 hours. Straight line, again, very similar to the last problem. As 57.2, excuse me, times 2.5 will give us 143 kilometers. And there's our first vector. Now, as the ship deviates northward by 30 degrees, we get to draw our second vector. Oh, geez, that's a bad triangle. I'm going to redraw that. We get to draw our, that's an even worse triangle, but we're going to go with it. So it is at 30 degrees, and it was traveling for 1.5 hours. So that calculation is going to end up giving us 85.8 as our hypotenuse. Again, we're going to use the sine of 30 times our hypotenuse, and we're going to get the opposite side here, which will give us 42.9. And our adjacent side, again, is going to be the cosine function of 30 times 85.8, our hypotenuse. And that's going to end up giving us 74.3. Excuse me, trying to delete it here. Now we get to make our final triangle. We still need to figure out theta, our right angles here. Again, just like the last problem, our first vector does not have a y value, so we're going to translate the one from the second. You would technically add them up, so 42.9 plus 0 is just 42.9. Adding these two bottom ones, they're going in the same direction. This is going to give us 217.3. And now, everyone's favorite, Pythagorean theorem to find our hypotenuse. It's going to give us c squared. After running the math through your calculator, you're going to end up getting 221.5. As if your answers are a little bit off, it's probably just because of rounding. It's not going to be that big of a deal. And again, to solve for our final angle here, inverse tangent, opposite adjacent, and this was going to give us about 11.17. Drawing the picture for this, again, it's going to look like that, so we know we're good for the northeast direction. So our final answer, 221.5 kilometers at 11.7 degrees north of east. I hope you found this video helpful in any way to understand this concept. It involves a lot of arbitrary thinking, a lot of visualization, a lot of drawing of pictures, and it really does help to visualize and draw a picture and to double check your work using like logic. So, thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you. Have a good day.